Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
The Edge screen places shortcuts and tools on the side of your display. You enable it in settings by toggling Edge screen and choosing panels. You can position the handle on either side of the screen for comfort. Customize which panels appear and their order inside the Edge panel menu. Use the handle to open or close the panel with a consistent swipe. The feature saves time by reducing app switching and keeping tools one swipe away. Open a panel by swiping inward from the handle using one finger. Tap any app icon to launch it immediately from the Edge. Create app pairs to open two apps split screen with a single tap. Add quick tools like a ruler or flashlight for instant access. Long press any panel icon for 3 seconds to move, edit, or remove it from your Edge panels. Arrange items so your most used tools sit at the top for faster reach. Customize the handle size, opacity, and position to prevent accidental activations. Adjust the sensitivity so a swipe of 3.5 inches opens the panel reliably. Disable unused panels to conserve battery and minimize clutter on the Edge screen. Use one-handed mode or two-finger gestures when you need more control during typing. Lock your phone or restrict panels on the lock screen to protect privacy and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.